Hello friends, let's get started. Understand? If now your first time for where they see this channel, please subscribe. We talk about web design and development using Patience. Understand? In this project, we do something amazing in this project. First of all, we will write screen so that we feel viewer with live server. Once you are in click, you see say this project you go there like this. You understand? But the image supposed to load sharp. But make we go back to the CSS so that make we know why the image don dey load for the CSS file. You understand? The image don come. You understand? This is the project. This is the nav bar of the project. Once you hover through the nav bar, you will see say the color change and there is a text decoration underline. You understand? This is the hero section. But in most websites dey get this kind hero section. You understand? Like a brief intro about the site. You understand? This is the hero section of the site. And in this place now, this is the popular course. You understand? For example, this picture say Python beginner course starts with basic knowledge of Python. You understand? Like how how if you take create card like this. You understand? Most websites if you create card like this, I'm show you how I feel how I take achieve this result. You understand? And this is the while learning results. You understand? Once you hover over through the while learning results, you see say the background color of the course change. You understand? And the color, this color now are white. You understand? And this is the footer page. Okay, make we get started. How me take achieve this result? For example, now you know say HTML get HTML structure. You understand? This is HTML structure. We have the head tag, the open head tag, and the close head tag. You understand? And inside the head tag is here we put our external CSS inside the head tag. You understand? And in this place now, we are not using internal CSS. You understand? Just external CSS. And this is the nav bar. You understand? We need the nav. I use the nav bar tag, and I give her a class called nav bar. Understand? And inside the nav bar, I create a UL and I give a class called nav links. You can see it very well, you understand? And li and a tag is where you can move from one page to another. And in this, after that one, then I created a whole section. The whole section is like a brief intro about the site. You understand? The site is all about learning coding and improving the world. That is H1 of the whole session. And that's I use H1 and there's a class header content, understand? And there's a paragraph and a button. Understand? In this thing, you will see say after the header session, I can't go to that session called the course slash feature section, understand? And the session gets a class called session and they have a H1 called popular courses and a div, you understand, a nested div, you understand. And in this tutorial we use grid, you understand. We use flex instead of grid, and I will show you the CSS that I have to achieve it as well. As I want to scroll down, we see say there is a on that div called course bus inside here. Each one of these one here to here is one bus, here to here is one bus, here to here is one bus, you understand? That's how I group it. And inside that, we have the while learning with all session. Understand? You can see that there's a web project uh, it's, and the paragraph tag, the H2 and the paragraph tag, and the footer section. That's how you can structure your site. You understand? This is the result you add in CSS. This is a very basic site that you can learn, or you can even duplicate it. So if you understand, here now this is CSS style. The CSS style is very long for those, but as a learner, you have to understand some of the selector of CSS. We use the universal selector here, a margin zero, padding zero, a box sizing, border box, a font size, you understand. When you are new to CSS, good about font size and box sizing, and I style the background color to black, and you have a padding. You can see the padding here, and the lav links. You understand? I told you that I want to use flex. You understand? Instead of grid, I use flex to display it to display it, to display it and justify content center. I move everything to center and it have a gap of 40 pieces and a list style of none to remove all those dots. Understand? And we also style the a tag that is here. The a tag when you hover through it, it will give you this color. Understand? And this other stuff. And this is the header tag. There's this image tag, understand? This is the image folder that is here. Inside the image folder, we have the cover.jpg. Understand? We use style to make it more okay. We give it a default height of 70, 75 HV, a display of less, and they align to center. Yeah, it's very, very simple. Once you know CSS, you understand, and this is the header content. How we style it with a mass width of 700 pieces and a backdrop filter. We add a backdrop filter to width of brightness 0.85. Understand? And the padding of 25 pieces, both top, right, left, and bottom. Understand? And if you scroll down, if you scroll down, you will see there are so many features in the application. Understand? And in this in this video, I will drop the code, the CSS code, and the HTML code of this application, so that you can glance through it and you can make use of it if you want to build your own application, something like this, or if you want to learn about Flexbox. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you.